Okay, I have heard that you guys can now tell these golden sisters apart, but not the other chicks. So here we go. Over here, we've got Betty Clucker. She's red. We have Spectra, who just ran away from the water bowl. Fern, the dark one, loves the water bowl. So now we've got Tula and Spectra, who look alike. They're these two here. And between them, Spectra is the darkest, who's over by the feed. And Tula is a little lighter and a little fatter. So to recap, Fern, Betty Clucker, Spectra, Tula, Roxanne, and Nugget.